Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a solid while since I've been on here, but my last actual video was when my car's down and out and it still is. I'm struggling getting parts that are not like ridiculous prices, especially. Yeah, but that's a whole other story. But this video is on a project car that King of Gloss has done. The build is complete, it's done. But the video series, I waited for it to be done first, the build, and then I could release the video so that the videos can come out after each other, like weekly or so on. So it's not going to be a lot. I think it's going to be a 2 or 3 part series. I haven't edited the final video yet, but the car is finished and it looks amazing. But you're going to have to watch the videos to see how it goes, because it's a very big transformation from when it started off and how it looks afterwards. You guys are not going to want to miss this. So please like, subscribe down below, put your notifications on so you don't miss it. Welcome back to the channel, because I know I've been a little bit down and out. 2024 started. Not on the best note. Taking a lot of L's over like December and January. But I'm fine. Everything is fine. I don't know, everything's not fine, but everything's fine. Me personally, mentally is all good. It's just right now, YouTube is being really stupid with how they're placing ads, and you can't use ad blocker, and you'll get slowed down as a user. They will slow you down on purpose as a user for if you're using ad blockers. I don't use ad blockers, but like just the watching. I mean, I'm a YouTuber, but I also like watching YouTube. So seeing it as a viewer of YouTube, it's really the enjoyment of YouTube is a little bit out, because I'll watch it and an ad will pop up like every 2 minutes in like a 30-minute video, or like a 20-minute video. Every 2, 3, 5 minutes another ad pops up. That's why you'll see I won't put mid-rolls, because I really like people watching an ad maybe in front, and thank you for watching the ads. The ads is what gets me some money on YouTube and actually makes me, call this like a little bit viable. It is something for what I'm doing, and it's just something I enjoy doing. But thank you to all of you that are watching the videos. I try and put an ad in front and an ad at the back, and that's it. I don't put mid-rolls, because I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing it to enjoy it. It's something I like doing on the side, showing you guys the culture, showing you guys the car scene of Cape Town. Right now it's a bit dead. Nothing's really happening. At the end of the month, everybody's going to start having meets and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to have to make an announcement again at the end of this month with what's happening next month. So yeah, stay tuned. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. It's very short. This is just an introduction to the car. Me and Shamikh are just explaining what's going to happen, and then the videos following we're going to get onto it. So yeah, please enjoy and stick around. Don't forget again, put the notifications on. You don't want to miss it. It's such a big transformation from what the car looks before and what the car is going to look like afterwards. I mean, I've seen it afterwards, and you guys, you won't believe how big of a difference just small things can do to a car. Yeah. Anyways, watch on, enjoy, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, because this is me like literally, I think 3 months after I shot this video. So yeah, enjoy. So yes, my bro, so we're at King of Gloss today. What are you gonna catch on here? What's happening here, bro? What's going on?
Yusuf, welcome back, man.
Yes, bro.
So basically, what we are doing is we actually customizing a 2-liter TDI to look like an R32 look, and then we are re-spraying the whole vehicle. Then what we are doing is we're gonna tint the vehicle and then putting on new rims. We're gonna software upgrade the hell out of this 2-liter TDI and put the exhaust onto this thing.
Gee, so full. You're gonna give it the full treatment, you say?
Yes, this car's having a full treatment. We're gonna put eyelets in front here, refurbish the headlights, full detail on the bodywork after spray work. Customized rims is gonna go on here.
Yeah.
Arches, side skirts we're gonna put on from the R32. It's gonna be installed, and we're gonna spray this car leopard's blue.
Is that the same blue that it is now?
No, this blue that we chose
It's the R32 blue. I know what it looks like.
No. This blue is your Gold 7R blue that we're gonna
Oh
use.
snap, that's a lighter blue, yeah.
So we're gonna put that blue on.
Yeah, what is happening is you guys already started sanding here.
Yes.
And you just got the car today.
Yes,
So what you're doing is literally you're getting a car from a customer
that's great.
and you're gonna give the full treatment.
Full
Everything. So customers dropping it off, it looks like this.
That is correct.
And then hopefully the after is gonna, So what is gonna happen is Shamika's gonna shoot the in-betweens that I can't shoot. But we're gonna do a full project on this car. This car is not gonna look anything like it looks right now. Right? Nothing. And just so you know, parts have already arrived though. It's already parts here. So those ones aren't messing about at all. It looks like the lip in front. We got side skirts, rear bumper, front grills, where the R. We got HID kits or whatever that is. Yes, that's what's going on here.
We're gonna eliminate the beading effects of this and side skirts on. So yeah, stay tuned.
Yes, bro. So this is gonna be a whole full-on project. Amika's gonna attack it. I can't always be here to shoot the video. That's not gonna be the crappy part. So I'm here for the before. This one's already attacked the bloody sanding here. And the car just came here today. So I don't even know how quick this is gonna go. What are you planning on a time limit or?
Well, we were looking at about a 5 week to 6 weeks on the vehicle because we're doing everything on the car. Besides the interior, we're only doing interior cleaning up here of the roof lining and the seats.
So nothing interior. You're not gonna worry about the interior.
We're not gonna
This
touch
is just
for now.
outside jobby.
This is everything outside and making the car look like an R32 with a customized color, like we're gonna put the lapis blue.
Is it lapis blue? I don't know color codes, man. I don't know color codes. The Golf R blue.
Yeah, the Golf R. And we're gonna do that, and then if anybody have the R32 seats, yeah, bring it on. We can install that.
That's gonna be tough, bro. Yeah. So this project gonna start off. This is video number 1. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but hopefully not a lot. Not like 5 or 6 videos.
What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna obviously my videos are
No,
like
it's fine. Listen, what is gonna like I said, this is not gonna be a combined thing between me and King of Gloss. King of Gloss is doing everything. I'm not involved with the paying, with the doing, with the nothing. It's gonna be all this bara and his cronies, and his scooters, and his minions.
Yeah.
So I don't even know what's gonna go on here. First of all, it's gonna get resprayed. You're gonna put on all the bits, front, back, sides. Rims is also gonna come on. There's gonna be a tune.
Yes.
We're running a tuned exhaust to match up to the R32 bumper.
Newtons is going to be installed.
Ooh, mission on missions, my guy. But like I said, King of Gloss, one-stop shop, bro. You can't go wrong. Okay.
And then calipers also going to be explain to me or tell me which color he wants the calipers to be, red or yellow. But that's his
I think
requirement.
the Golf R is blue.
Is it blue? But if you look at it, the rims might be black.
Oi!
I
If
think
it's
this
a
is
car
the-
wash or whatever, just come out here. You know already. I'm gonna put the other King of Gloss video up here.
I think this is the first 2-liter TDI conversion.
Into a Golf R. Into a R32.
First 2-liter TDI in South Africa, basically, that we're doing.
Big first here. Thank you. We don't have to give away C63s. Okay, C63. We don't do that here. Okay, it's a lot of money, bro. Okay, for now we're just gonna do smaller tasks. So this is something small, something cool, something actually quite simple to do, but moves change. Moves change. Right?
Change.
Yeah, Sami?
Thanks,
It's gonna be mad. No worries, bro. Not a problem coming through. And remember, all your. What do you say? You get your car massaged here. You come here and you get your car full treatment. Full treatment. Good
There we go.
Okay, yeah, I must bring a Mercedes Benz here for the milk meat.
Definitely. Make a turn, bro. Make a turn.
Because that needs a good on
I'm
service.
also attending that run. I'm gonna
Is
go.
that? You
I'm
can come
gonna-
with anything, my bro. Come with you.
Coming with my
Not the BMW, no? You don't come with it. Just don't come with it. That's not how you come to a bird meet though. Okay, I'm gonna cut you guys watching contact. You know, we just realized now, problem number 1. Uncle bought the parts already, the owner of this car. And that's the wrong bumper, just so you know. So So if you keen-eyed viewers will know that that is a Golf 6R bumper. This is a Golf 5. So problem number one, the back bumper is the right bumper and the side skirts look like the right side skirts. Yeah, that's,
However,
but that's a Golf 6.